Yo guys, what is going on? My name's Wyatt and today we are going to be unboxing the US vinyl cutter from USCutter. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So right here we got the accessories box. See what's in that. Got cables, got the blade, cover, that's pretty cool, and all the hardware to set up the stand. Set that aside. Paperwork, you don't need to see that, it has my address on it. Got a box here. See what this is. This is all the vinyl that comes with this cutter. There's like 4 different colors I want to say in this one. Got transfer tape. 1 pair. I think there should be 2 rolls. These are magnets that you could print on, or stick it to and then print it on and put it on like your truck or whatever. Green star is that the vinyl for this that comes with this. X-Acto knife. A squeegee. And last but not least, another roll of transfer tape. So you got 2 rolls of transfer tape. Ooh. 2 rolls. And then like I want to say this is, I think 24 inches by 6 feet, I want to say. So there's that. You see all those. So let's put that back aside. So here's the vinyl cutter itself. Set that aside. There's one more box in here. So this is a program for the computer. I'll throw that on my desk. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. So I am going to assemble this and catch up with you guys in a second. Alright guys, I finished setting this bad boy up. Now I'm just gonna plug it into my computer. The software's downloading right now. Plug it in my computer and do some cuts on it and show you guys that. But this is what it looks like after it's all set up. This is the USCutter MH871 MK2. See, I haven't even took the tag off over here to connect it, but everything else is all ready to go besides hooking it up and getting the program started. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then I'll check back in. Yeah, I loaded the vinyl into the vinyl cutter and now I'm gonna send a cut to it. So we're gonna see if it works. So now that that's done, I'm gonna hit offline and then we'll pull this thing out. Oh, fudge. Pull it down and grab some scissors. Now I don't know if you guys could see that, but the sticker is in there, so we're gonna weed it out now. Now I'm gonna weed it out. So there you go. There's those stickers. So now I'm gonna put some transfer tape over it. That's kind of crappy because I did kind of mess up on that, but it'll be alright. So there you go, there's the first sticker I made, right there. Yo guys, also I have an unboxing. After I unboxed the vinyl cutter and all that crap, I have another unboxing. That's same stuff, different vinyl. So, let's see. So, right here. This is Teflon sheets. This is for the heat press I'm getting for Christmas, hopefully. That I should be getting in a couple days. Early Christmas from my mother, hopefully. But yeah, so this is just heat Teflon for that. Just so I'm aware. This is, I don't know which one this is. So this is a 12-pack rolls. 12 rolls, 6 foot by 24 inches, I want to say. Oracle 651 for decals. So the decal you seen in this video, that was just Green Star. That's right here. That came with the vinyl cutter. I didn't buy that. It was just a kit. I bought a kit, so I have some vinyl that to mess around with. This vinyl right here. I can mess around with it and not waste this good vinyl that I have. So I'm gonna pop this open. Colby. But yeah, this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's some gold. There's 12 different colors, so I don't know if I want to wind this. So there's green, white, pink, gold. Let's see what other colors there are. That better not be it. No. So this is just outside. So the green, white. Also blue. I don't know where that one came from. Pink. Gold. And then there's more in here. So black, yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, like a light olive green, I want to say. And that's it. But anyways, I got another box here. I know what this one is. So, as you guys see, here's more vinyl. But this vinyl is for heat press. So for t-shirts. I did the exact same thing with this. How it's 12 rolls. This is 12 rolls. So I can see red, bright pink, white, black, like I don't even no, like kind of like a light pink, a green, like a lime green, yellow, I want to say. But yeah, I'm not even gonna open this because I don't have my heat press yet, so I'm just gonna wait on this. And yeah. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing all this stuff. So I'm gonna cut to the outro that I just taped. So yeah. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on it's upside down, but the unboxing video setup and first cut on the USCutter MH871 Mach 2. I'm pretty sure that's what that stands for. But anyways, I need to quit looking at the camera and look in the lens. But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed. If you do want a sticker from me, there will be a link in the description to my Etsy page, my eBay page, and my Instagram from my Instagram for just stickers, not my personal Instagram, just my sticker Instagram. So all that will be in the description below. If you guys want a custom sticker, please DM me on Instagram and we can work out a price, and you can just send me a picture or whatever and I'll make it and ship it out and give you guys a price on that. But if you want any stickers, go to my Instagram. My Instagram is WM Designs Co. And then my Etsy page and eBay page are also the same, WM Designs Co. on both of those. So all that will be linked below. So if you guys want any of these stickers, any stickers like this, any colors, yeah, hit me up down below or go buy them off of eBay and Etsy. Anyways, I'll be making more videos on this kind of stuff, and yeah, see you next time. Peace.